We're gonna do a quick toothbrush first impression. You can go ahead and cancel your dental plan because today's product is actually giving you a full dental cleaning every single day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, and today we're taking a look at the new Soocas NEOS II Electric Toothbrush. And let me tell you right now, this thing is not real. It's a 3-in-1, so you get your sonic vibrations, which is great because I've been using a Philips Sonicare toothbrush for like the last 5 years. It oscillates up to 20 degrees, which is more in line with like your Oral-B toothbrushes. And my favorite part, it's also a full water pick, or water flosser, as you'll hear me reference it both ways throughout the video. So with all of these features, my first impressions, it's 100% going to replace my Philips Sonicare. And this video will explain why. First impressions are very, very good, and that's me genuinely saying that. As always, you can see this product as well as others I've reviewed down in my Amazon storefront, linked below. Okay, here's everything that you get in the package. You get the NEOS 2 itself, a nice white zip-up travel case, 2 little travel case, a magnetic charger, no USB dongle, so you gotta have one, 2 toothbrush heads, that's awesome, and a little pipe cleaner to really get into that water tank when it comes time to clean. Overall, it's pretty self-explanatory on setup. Unpackage the toothbrush head and stick it right on there. Fill the water tank with like lukewarm water or diluted mouthwash is what the manual said. I'd personally recommend just lukewarm water because of how strong the floss pulsing can get. Like Listerine, even diluted, just seems like a burn I'm not trying to experience. Let me know in the comments, do you wet your toothbrush before the toothpaste, after, or both? As far as operating it though, there are 3 intensity levels with this yellow button here in the middle, 3 being the strongest in both vibration and oscillation. Now, if you only want to use the floss feature, right? You just hit the floss on the bottom, it does 80 seconds of flossing. Really thin lines of water. I believe it's like 0.5 millimeters thin. If you want a brush and floss, make sure it's filled, hit that brush and choose your intensity, 1, 2, and 3, 3 being the most intense. It'll automatically start the flosser if there's water in there. It'll brush for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then it'll automatically switch on the flossing feature. That's a sensation in itself, the brush and floss at the same time. It's a weird feeling. Oh, wow. But like good weird. Again, my first impressions are that my mouth has never been cleaner. I'm not just saying that either. There's this sort of like really squeaky clean feeling you get after a session. I like half expected to be missing a tooth. Yeah. I definitely feel very clean, like my teeth had just been ran through like an insane super car wash. And because the water actually comes out of the top of the brush here, I was able to get really into my mouth in angles I don't typically get with my normal water pick. Oh my God. As somebody who has Invisalign, this is a super great product. I could also see people with braces embracing it. The reason this is replacing my Philips Sonicare, it does more and it does it better, and it's as simple as that. It's got everything that this does plus oscillation and a water flosser in it. This feels like you just got a deep cleaning. I did try every single intensity. Intensity level 1 is pretty normal. In fact, I kind of wanted more, so I went up to a level 2. That's probably where I do my like daily brushing intensity, is level 2. Level 3 was the most intense. It was absolutely fine. I noticed it's the most amount of oscillation and vibration. That might be good if you like a harder kind of brush. When the flosser started, it's a little bit surprising. It's a weird sensation, but I kind of love it. I had that like dizzy, clean feeling you would get when you get out of the dentist chair. Low-key looking for the treasure chest to like pick my prize. Anyone else terrified of the dentist as a kid? Just me? The one thing to note from my experience is that I found myself brushing longer because the floss starts about halfway through the brush session. It definitely keeps you brushing for longer because mentally I'm waiting for the floss to start. And because it pulses for 80 seconds from that point, I found myself actually spending more time in each section of my mouth, just making sure I got every single tooth. Notice like in my molars, I was like waiting until it went like zoom, zoom, and then I would move over to like the next gap in my teeth and zoom, zoom. So it really is creating better brushing habits. I also think the size of the tank is perfect because it's not too big and it holds enough water to still hit every tooth. So you can see the size comparison from this compared to my old water pick that I've been using. That thing is ginormous. And just a quick heads up, this is what I've been using pretty much every day for the last 5 years. A big O water pick and my Philips Sonicare. So all of this can be replaced by this alone. Also when traveling, this is a lot nicer of a situation, especially with the travel pack and everything. You just have the one thing to replace all this. And battery wise, 30 days on a single charge, so you're not looking for the charging cord every other day. So when reviewing a product, I typically try to find something it can improve or like a critique, but I'm genuinely having trouble finding anything wrong with this. Maybe the price. Now it is a little bit more expensive than the Philips Sonicare I've been using, but when I factor in the cost of a separate water pick and even the cost of like a separate Oral-B oscillating toothbrush, this is still coming out as a winner. And just like my Sonicare, you can actually hit the brush button here at the top to pause and spit so you don't make a mess. And then you just resume the session just by hitting it again without having to start it over or start the timer. Additionally, it turns off automatically when the full session is complete, so you're not left guessing. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, this is a 10/10 no notes type of product. Mike's Deal Finder, star of approval. I highly and very much recommend this to anyone with Invisalign or braces or anybody that just wants a super squeaky clean mouth. And if you found value in this video, please give it a like and definitely subscribe for more product reviews and product finds. I'll catch you in the next one.